We're up to plumbing roughing right before we pour the slab tomorrow. Of course, we got to do rebar and all that fun stuff, but closer. We're leveled out now. One step closer. Here's a new angle. Get all this stuff to properly go together here. Is it to code? It's a shop, so I don't really care. But I'm sure it's close enough. One. Nope. How the heck did I do that side, not the other? All right. Get a little glue and we'll be looking good. I'm not going to record that because the only thing Lowe's had was super hot instant seize glue that I'll probably screw up if I try to record, so I'll worry about that later. Maybe I will record it. Got my concoction of duct tape and glue to hold the phone in place. Don't worry about my kids screaming out there. This glue sets really fast, so whoop. Line up my marks. Awesome. Hopefully you can see the novice way to do it. Just line your marks up, glue it in place. Go have a beer. Hold it for a few seconds. Done. Is it in the shot? It is in the shot. Okay, cool. There is that. Now, long piece, level ready. All right. And where's my line? Not that it matters, don't need a line. All right, level. Wrong side. All right, we're level. Perfect. All right, we're done. Now for concrete.
Hey.
Day's never finished. Master got me working. Done.
Can I do the javelin toss?
Sure. But you got to fix the divot.
Ah.
We just leveled up. Oh. I should have thought he was going to do that.
Now I don't have to fix any divots.
Leveled out, man. Done for the day.